Hello, welcome to our lesson on statistics, and we are going to look at measures of central tendency. All right, so under statistics, we have three main measures of central tendency. That is the mode, the median, and then the mean. All right. We have the mode, the median, and the mean. So we are going to look at these three. All right. So the measures of central tendency, it is where we use one value to represent a given data. All right, and that particular value is found around the center of the data. All right, so it's a value that the data mostly gather around or close to. All right. So the first of all, let's look at the mode, okay, and then we take it to the median and then the mean. So let's look at the mode. Okay, so when we talk about the mode, okay, the mode is the value with the highest frequency of a given data, or the value that appears the most in a given data. All right. So let's say if I'm giving the data 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 5, 9, 10, 5. Let's say I have this data there. Alright. And I'm asked to find the mode. So what will be my mode from this given data? So I'll look at the data that I'm giving. The value that appears the most, okay, will become my mode. So we have 5 here, 1, 2, and then 3. Let's look at 6. 6 is only 1, 8 is only 1, 9 is only 1, 10 we have 2. So okay, 9 is 2, we have 1 here and another 1 here. 9 appears 2 times. 10 appears how many times? 2 times. Okay, so it is 5 that is appearing the most. So we can say that our mode is what? Our mode is 5. Okay, our mode is 5. That is what we are actually talking about. Alright. It can even occur that in a given data, so let's say another example, we have 50, 60, 70, 80. With this particular data here, you can actually see that we have 50, 60, 70, 80. None of the data is occurring more than once. So here, they are all the same. You can say that there is no what? There is no mode in the data. Alright. And then we can even have a data where let's say I have 100, 101, 102, 101, 105, 100. We can also have a data where you may have the mode to be more than 1. Alright, so 100 is appearing 2 times. 101 is also appearing 2 times. So I can say my mode is 100 and then 101. Okay, so because that is the data which is occurring most, 100 and then 101. Alright, so when you are given set of numbers, just look through the set of numbers. The one with the highest frequency or the one that occurs the most becomes your mode. Okay, so let's look at also if you are given a frequency table, how you are going to find the mode from a frequency table. Okay, so let's look at the frequency tables here. This is ungrouped, okay, and this is grouped. So let's look at how you find the mode. So number 1, you are asked to find the modal age. Okay, the modal age. So what will be our modal age? So you look at the age, the one with the highest frequency. That is the one that appears the most. So we see that the 12 has the highest frequency of what? 7. So you can say that a modal age is what? Is 12. And take note that when you are given the frequency table, the frequency tells us how many times the number occurs. Okay, so 12 is occurring 7 times. So the modal age is not the 7th. It is the 12 because the age is the 12, but 12 is appearing 7 times. Is that okay? So my mother age is what? Is 12. Okay. So let me look at the marks. Okay, so find, here you say find the mother class. Okay. So if age is in terms of years, then we can say 12 years. Alright, so find the mother class. Find the mother class. Okay. So the mother class is because we have what? We have class intervals. So look at the class interval, the one with what? With the highest frequency. Which class interval has the highest frequency? That is from 50 to what? 59. So you say that my mother class is 50 to 59. So that becomes your mother class, 50 to 59. So these are some of the questions that they can ask you on mode. Alright, and even sometimes with the group frequency distribution, they can also ask you to find the actual mode. Okay, that there is a formula too we can also use. Okay, we will go through, as time goes, we will also go through that formula and also look at how we can find the actual value of a given group frequency distribution table. Alright, so this is how mode is. I'll see you again in our next lesson. Bye bye.